ticket, Joe?
This year I brought my ticket.
So, Motorcycle Live NEC 2023. Time to find your ticket. Bye. Thank you. I'm gonna get hand stabbed just in case for later. Thank you.
Of course you can, yeah.
Oh, it says you are here or there.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there it is. So if we will.
So I think we're gonna have to do a loop,
Yeah.
and then another loop,
Yeah.
and then go back to the bits that we want to see again.
Okay. There.
You got us in short, are you sure?
I need to set
This is a scoop because this is Pav. Pav is the program manager for this little beast. Turn it round. Pav, you have been involved in the making of this from the floor upwards, every step of the way. Okay, so I have a 2018 Euro 4 Hemi. Why should I get this? Tell me about this.
This is the all-new Royal Himalayan.
Himalayan.
So it's a 450cc
So the trafficators, the front and the rear trafficators are LED. The rear ones include your trafficators and your brake light and stop light. So they're all incorporated into one. So there's no centre brake feature in there now. And the reason these are slightly flexible is basically because if you're weaving through traffic or if you drop it, then there's likely to be less breakage on the LEDs.
Excellent. Wow, and it's coming to Europe in the spring?
It is indeed. It should be ready for us to use here in the UK and European markets, ready for the season in 2024.
And the price point, I think there is it end of November, I think they're releasing.
So we're going to be announcing the price next week at Motoverse.
Motoverse.
Yeah, which is our festival in Goa.
Okay.
So the price will be announced there, and then subsequently the remainder of the world, the rest of the world price will be issued and released at that point.
Is the 411 going to come obsolete?
It will start dying down. The focus is now on getting this ready for all the customers and the orders are coming in. The 411 will carry on with the 411 scrap for the meanwhile, and then this will be the 450 will be the one.
And there any plans for anything bigger?
Watch this space.
That's a secret. Thank you so much, Pat.
You're
Thank you very
welcome.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care.
Hi, it's Charlie. Isn't it?
Hiya,
I love your channel.
Oh, thank you.
Fantastic.
You're on it now.
Your adventures are amazing. I love
Say
watching
hi
them.
then.
Oh, hi there.
You're on it now.
I'm on it now.
You're on there as well then. Oh, not that close. Jesus.
Do a bit of cinematic.
Just say hi.
Hi. we first rode together at the
I was gonna say, I'm sure
Distinguished
we-
Gentleman's Ride, Salisbury. I had the Meteor 350, brown one.
Once again.
How are you doing?
You did that last time.
That's exactly what you did last time. Rest day rider.
How are you? All right.
I'm good, thanks. You?
Good.
Excellent.
You just have to say hello and be on the channel then. Hiya. What are we on it? Can I say hi? Can I help you? Hiya. How are you? Say hello. Hello. I met you first at Dragon Rally last year. How's it going?
Going good. Is it going good for you?
Oh my god, yeah. I've been here for hours and I've done I don't know how many loops and I've been back to the Royal Enfield stand about 4 times to see the new Himalayan.
I've not seen it yet.
You not?
I desperately want to see it. I'm like just here for the foreseeable. So tomorrow I'll see
I
it.
won't spoil the surprise.
Do you want one as well?
Thank you.
I got a sticker.
Well done.
Right.
Oh, so good to see you guys.
Well, yeah, of course.
Yeah, we'll be at the drive.
Yeah, if you do, that would be amazing.
Good. Have a nice little side together.
Yeah, cheeky. And the bagpipes. Remember
Yeah.
the bagpipes?
Legendary.
See ya.
Sorry, madam.
That's all right, don't worry.
They do a few more tricks for you. So are you alright? Yeah.